Frankenstein, a hand-poured silver art panel. It comes in a lovely 3D printed case, as you can, called Nerd. It's come out so cool. I'm so happy with this piece. It was made by my usual process using a 3D print and the old casting, all made by hand, and it's also a masse office. It's just I'm just so happy how it's come out. And this piece is available over on my website. There's a link in the description below.
I just made a giant masterpiece for all the greatest world newspaper nerds. My brother is wearing the other one, but it's dirty. It's got footprints on it. Oh, they're coming to get me.
As I mentioned earlier in the video, Frankenstein is available over on my website. The link's in the description below. Cheers, folks.